What's up, guys? Welcome to Steve G's Garage. Today we're going to be working on the Toyota exhaust. Got some welding to do. I just wanted to say Happy New Year's. I'm going to try to be getting into this a lot more this new year, so hopefully a lot more videos, a lot more content. I'm really trying to focus on getting the engine of the Toyota done, like put back together, complete, running. And then we'll work on the turbo side, the cold side of the turbo and all that. But for now, I'm just gonna kind of wrap up the downpipe today, and then we'll go from there. You know, like I still need a couple parts, but need a little spacer. We'll get to that. But hope you guys had a good Christmas, good New Year. Here's to the next year. Enjoy the show. We're gonna be doing some exhaust on the Toyota out of the turbo. Go down. We gotta make a pretty sharp turn, so it's kind of ugly, but we're doing it. Got this. It's bent at like a 45, just an angle cut. I got a mark on this. We're gonna tack them together, hold them up in there, and see where we're at. Alright, we got it tacked up. I'm gonna hold it down in here. That's what I'm working with. I don't know if you guys can see or not. Probably not, but it's looking good so far. So I'm gonna cut this right here. Probably right here. Put another angle to kick this way, and we'll see how it goes. All right, check it out. We are V-banded, going down. Oh, sorry. Hook's a little angle down there at the bottom. Let's go underneath and get you a better look. Oh. About that, huh? Pretty much perfect. Right there. Cuts the gaps nicely. So, pull it back out, weld it up. All right, we have our piece. So, I'm gonna weld this all up and we'll throw it in there. All right, guys. Well, started welding it up, and I'm like dangerously low on argon, so she's not doing the best, you know. Pretty much nothing in there, so gonna have to get a new bottle before we proceed, but it's in there and it looks all right. Sorry, keep blinding you, but we'll go down underneath here. Pretty much comes, we got a spinner a little bit, but straight on down works for me, you know. And this is everything, so just get a pipe onto here and send her on back, you know. I was thinking about coming out of the quarter panel here, you know, like a exit up there. I think that'd be cool. Get one of them cool, you know, fix this up a little bit, but bring the exhaust out like right here. I don't know. We'll see. Sounds like a lot, but yeah, we're getting there. Little by little, you know. I got the EFI, so now I need an adapter from Toyota to Holley, and then we can put the sniper on there. Get that all wired in and such. Still need hardware for my water pump. Need to hook up my oil pressure and turbo feed down there. And I got my turbo feed in there. Drains on the bottom. I already got a fitting in the tank down there. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like right there. We're coming along. So as you can see, we got a full house in here. Toyota, foxbody, cj7. She's parked for now. We're gonna do the head gaskets, I think, springtime. CJ's time to shine. We're gonna start working on this baby here again soon. We kind of are a little bit. You can see we're working with some steering column issues, I guess you could say. Crooked. It points towards the passenger. It's kind of rude, but we're figuring it out. So see if we can just squeak her over a little bit or something. I don't know. But she's coming along nicely. Got the switch pad, Holley screen. Oh, got this wheel well on. Side thing, fenders. She's coming along. The box in there. The accessories on the front. So we just wanted to see what we were working with there. So this thing here soon, after this gets running, we're gonna do some work on this. I'm thinking I gotta do some different stuff with my nitrous if I'm gonna keep it, you know. Haven't decided yet. I think it's gonna be turbo, but I'd like to get the nitrous working how I want it before I decide to change it, and still race pops in the S10 with the nitrous setup, and then we'll do the turbo. So be patient on that. I got gears to change out on this thing. Should make a huge difference also. We got 273s in there. I'm gonna go to a 373, so help me get down the track a little faster. But yeah, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again next time.